Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm inspired by red wine, and to me red wine is sophisticated, elegant and classy, but it has a bit of simplicity to it. And so if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. The first thing we're going to be doing is the eyeshadow, and I want to do something very simple for this makeup look. And so we are going for the W7 Socialite makeup palette or eyeshadow palette. This is the one we're using, and I want to go in with the darkest color first, and that would be Nouveau Riche, this one right here. I think I want to start off with a flat brush like so, and then keeping that in the outer corner, bringing it a little bit down. But then I want to switch to either I think I want to switch between these two, so like a firm round eyeshadow brush and a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Something of those three brushes will be used, and this color is just going in the outer corner. There's nothing up into the crease, nothing like that, just outer corner. I'm just gonna go in with Extravagance, which is this one right here. And for this I am using my finger because I know this color. Then I just want to put on some mascara, and before I do that I will curl my lashes. And then I have my Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm only putting that on my upper lashes. want this to be an evening look, just pop on some false lashes and you're good to go. I want this to be something that I can wear during the day, so I'm not putting on fake lashes, and I'm just gonna keep it as is. While we're on it, let's just put on highlighter. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather, and I'm using the pink one on the side right here, taking a big fluffy brush for the big areas and a smaller eyeshadow brush for the detail areas like my brow bone and my nose. For this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my new favorite for fall. So first I want to line my lips, and I'm taking the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling, that looks like this, and just line my lips. So I'm taking the W7's Lippy Cheek in the shade Back Chat, and it's this shade right here, and it's actually a pink between magenta and maroon. If it doesn't come up as the right shade on the camera, I wouldn't know until I'm in editing. So that's the shade that it is. Then I'm taking my W7, the Vitamin C Fixer setting spray, and spraying my face. And so this is the finished look. This is what a wine inspired makeup look looks like. I think this is perfect for technically all year round, but with the lipstick and with the darker outer corner with like a little bit of a sultry vibe to it, I think it's perfect for fall, winter. You cannot go wrong with these colors, and besides, they're perfect if you're gonna wear burgundy or even like olive green or moss green or even black. It is a perfect makeup look for that, so you can't really go wrong with wearing this in fall, winter. And so that is everything I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!